Hey,
Đi.
have you told the legend of Pinkfoot yet?
What's the legend of Pinkfoot? The legend of Pinkfoot is a really good spooky story. I like spooky stories. It's the story of a giant pink shrimp who lives in the woods and likes to eat s'mores. His name is Pinkfoot. Tell us the story, Goby.
No, don't tell it yet, Goby.
Cái mà kia ăn bánh nó dính trên má. Ăn chocolate.
Not chocolate.
Ăn cookie.
No.
Ăn chocolate dính lên mặt phải không? Ăn gì dính lên mặt vậy?
Not chocolate.
You got everything you need?
What do you mean?
Well, we're going to need to take some things with
What
us
do you
on
need?
the camping trip.
We have our backpacks on.
Yep, but you're going to need something in them.
Like what?
Let's think about what you need to take with you when you go camping. We're going to sleep outside in the woods tonight, so we'll need to bring...
A tent.
Oh, that's right. And we're going to eat outside tonight. So let's pack some...
Hot dogs. And tofu dogs.
Mm-hmm.
And don't forget, it gets dark at night.
That's right. So you have to bring a...
Flashlight. Flashlight. Put on your backpack and let's dance.
Ê!
Line up, everybody. It's time to go outside.
Time to go outside. Line up.
Song. I'm a Moon Scout. I'm a Moon Scout too. I'm a Moon Scout 3. Once upon a time, there were 3 Moon Scouts who went camping on the dark side of the moon. This is Moon Scout 1, coming in for a landing. The moon. The best place for a Moon Scout to go on a camping trip. It's dark. It's the dark side of the moon. But we're scared of the dark. That's why I brought these flashlights. Thanks. And here's a flashlight for you. Just keep your eye out for the moon bear. Yeah, he likes to take flashlights. No one really knows why.